Finding a spiritual connection is a deeply personal journey that involves exploring your inner self, beliefs, and the world around you. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to find a spiritual connection. 1. Self-reflection. Inner exploration. Take time to reflect on your beliefs, values, and what matters most to you. Journaling can be a helpful tool for this. Questioning. Ask yourself deep questions about life, purpose, and the universe. This can help uncover what you are seeking spiritually. 2. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practice. Start incorporating mindfulness into your daily life. Pay attention to the present moment, your thoughts, and emotions. Meditation. Begin a meditation practice. This can involve guided meditations, silent meditation, or focusing on your breath. Meditation helps quiet the mind and connect with inner peace. 3. Study and exploration. Spiritual texts. Explore various spiritual texts from different traditions such as the Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, Tao Te Ching, etc. Books and resources. Read books on spirituality, self-help, and personal growth. There are countless authors and teachers who share their wisdom on spiritual matters. Attend workshops or classes. Consider attending workshops or classes on topics like meditation, yoga, or energy healing. This allows for learning and connecting with like-minded individuals. 4. Nature and connection. Spending time in nature. Nature has a way of grounding us and connecting us to something larger. Spend time outdoors, go for walks, hikes, or simply sit in a park. Connect with elements. Pay attention to the elements around you, earth, water, fire, air. This can deepen your connection to the natural world. 5. Practices and rituals. Prayer. Engage in prayer, whether it's traditional prayers from a religious text or personal, heartfelt prayers. Ceremonies or rituals. Create your own rituals or ceremonies to mark significant moments or connect with the divine. Yoga and Tai Chi. These practices not only improve physical health, but also cultivate spiritual connection through movement and breath. 6. Seek guidance. Mentorship. Find a spiritual mentor, teacher, or guide who resonates with you. They can offer wisdom, support, and practices tailored to your journey. Join a community. Attend spiritual gatherings, join a spiritual community, or participate in online forums where you can share experiences and learn from others. 7. Listen to your intuition. Trust yourself. Learn to trust your inner guidance, intuition, or gut feelings. These are often signals from your higher self or spiritual connection. Follow your heart, do what brings you joy and makes your heart sing. Your passions and interests can lead you closer to your spiritual path. 8. Practice gratitude. Gratitude journal. Cultivate a practice of gratitude by keeping a journal and writing down things you are grateful for. Gratitude opens the heart and invites in spiritual connection. 9. Embrace silence. Quiet time. Make time for silence and solitude. This can be in the form of meditation, contemplation, or simply sitting in stillness. Silence allows us to listen to our inner voice. 10. Surrender and let go. Release attachments. Let go of attachments to outcomes and expectations. Trust in the flow of life and surrender to the universe's plan for you. Acceptance. Practice acceptance of the present moment, yourself, and others. Acceptance opens the door to inner peace and connection. 11. Graciousness and compassion. Practice compassion. Show kindness and compassion to yourself and others. Acts of kindness and compassion are pathways to spiritual connection. Forgiveness. Release resentments and practice forgiveness. Forgiveness frees up energy and opens the heart. 12. daily spiritual practice. Consistency, establish a daily spiritual practice that resonates with you. Whether it's meditation, prayer, yoga, or something else, consistency is key. Morning rituals, start your day with rituals that ground and connect you. This can set a positive tone for the day. 13. Trust the process. Patience, understand that finding a spiritual connection is a journey that takes time and patience. Trust in the process and be open to the lessons along the way. Faith, cultivate faith in something greater than yourself, whether it's the universe, higher power, or your own inner wisdom. Conclusion. Finding a spiritual connection is a deeply personal and ongoing journey. It's about exploring your inner self, connecting with the world around you, and cultivating practices that resonate with your soul. The key is to be open, curious, and willing to delve into the depths of your being. Remember that the path to spiritual connection is unique for each person, so honor your journey and trust that you will find what you seek along the way.